Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. In today's video, I am going to discuss how to add watermark in your slides. Although there is no direct option in PowerPoint from where you can directly add watermark to your slides. But here are certain steps, and by using those steps, you can eventually able to add watermark to your slides. Let's discuss how to add watermarks to slides in PowerPoint. Just go to View option, and from here, View option, you will see an option of Slide Master. Just click it, and then just go to Insert option and click Text Box. Then click on your slide, and here you can write some text. Let's write research, but you can write some other words as well. From here you can change the size. So let's rotate. Change the color. You can change its color to gray or some other that could be barely visible on your slide so that it can be used as a watermark. And after that, just go to Slide Master and close it, close Master View, and you will see a watermark has been added to your slides. Even when you play these slides, it will still shown here. And even if you want to have the prints of these slides, still it is shown as watermark on your slides. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.